Want to save time? Here's how to set up bill pay in Citibank Online. Step 1. Log into citibank.com with your username and password. From your dashboard, select Pay and Transfer, then tap Bill Pay. Step 2. Choose Add Payee to register the company or person you pay. Enter the payee name, account number, and billing address, then continue. Verify the details and select Save to add the payee to your list. Step 3. Select the payee, choose amount, then pick Schedule a payment. Set the payment date and frequency, one time or recurring, then confirm. To automate, enable autopay and choose a start date and payment limit. Review the payment summary and tap Confirm to submit the payment. Manage payments anytime from schedule to edit, cancel, or pause payments. Quick tip: link statements to populate payees faster. You're done. Save time every month.